Mohawk Air.o. Place and position Mohawk Air.o in the room to be installed, making sure it is perfectly flat and tension-free. Knee kicker is to be used for positioning only. Mohawk Air.o should be installed with a consistent pile direction. This can be determined several ways. We recommend the pencil and paper test. To perform the pencil and paper test, take a standard sheet of paper and place a round object such as a pencil in the center. Roll the pencil back and forth, which will cause the paper to walk in the direction of the pile. Seaming. The seams must be straight-edged from the back. Mohawk Air.o should never be row cut. Take care to mark location of seam. The use of Mohawk Air.o branded adhesive or tape are required to ensure optimum results and are the only approved adhesive or tape that Mohawk will warrant. Failure to use Mohawk Air.o branded adhesive or tape can result in warranties being null and void. Fold Mohawk Air.o to allow for application of adhesive or tape. Tape is to be applied around the perimeter of the room within 1/2 inch of any vertical abutment and at all seams. The use of tape at all seams is required in order to maintain coverage under the Mohawk Air.o warranty. Be sure to smooth the tape, removing all air bubbles. Unfold Mohawk Air.o into the adhesive or tape, starting with the seam edges, making sure the seam edges are not gapped or overlapped. Then press or tractor the seam. Seams do not require sealing with Mohawk Air.o. To trim the Mohawk Air.o at the wall, use a razor blade knife or suitable wall trimmer. If transitions are taller than the Mohawk Air.o attached cushion, then the Mohawk Air.o is to be trimmed and tucked. If the transition is shorter than the Mohawk Air.o attached cushion, then appropriate molding should be used to protect the edges.